Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Agriculture Knowledge Hub. In this video, we have brought to you question paper of ICRGRF exam year 2019 of agronomy subject. In previous video, we have completed part 1 of question paper. So today, we will continue with part 2 and the question number 51 of part 2 is crop designated as queen of cereals is, and the options are paddy, maize, pearl millet, oat, and the right answer is option B, maize. Next question. Fertilizer News is published by, and the options are Soil Science Society of India, Agronomy Society of India, ICAR, and Fertilizer Association of India. And the right answer is option D, Fertilizer Association of India. Next question is Dapog method of nursery is related to, and the options are tobacco, paddy, maize, and sorghum. And the right answer is option B, paddy. Next question is root rot disease in cotton is caused due to, and the right answer is option A, Rhizoctonia bataticola. Next question is Cyperus area is propagated through, and the options are stem, rhizome, seed, and root. And the right answer is option C, seed. Question number 56. Herbicide selective to all oilseed crop is, and the options are propanil, MCPA, pendimethalin, and monouron. And the right answer is option C, pendimethalin. Next question is wheat crop has how many species? And the options are 10, 12, 15, and 18. And the right answer is option D, 18. Next question. Cyclone normally moves at a speed of, options are 400 to 500 km per day, option B 300 to 400 km per day, option C 200 to 300 km per day, and option D 100 to 200 km per day. And the right answer is option A 400 to 500 km per day. Next question is which of the following is a phosphorus solubilizing bacteria? And the options are PSB, Clostridium, WAM, and Azotobacter. And the right answer is option A, PSB. Question number 60. If percent of P2O5 in a fertilizer is more than 46%, then phosphorus will be, and the options are option A 58, option B 24.7, option C 20.2, and option D 46.4. And the right answer is option C 20.2. Next question is optimum temperature required for jute rating is, and the options are 28 degrees Celsius, 38 degrees Celsius, 34 degrees Celsius, and 40 degrees Celsius. And the right answer is option C 34 degrees Celsius. Next question is the enzyme secreted by embryo of seeds which induces germination process is, and the options are auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin, and ethylene. And the right answer is option C, gibberellin. Next question is alternate host weed for gram caterpillar in red gram is, and the answer is option C, Amaranthus viridis. Next question is cell theory which was introduced in 1838 was proposed by, and the options are option A, Lamarck, option B, August Weismann, option C, Sladen and Swan, and option D, Maupertuis. The right answer is option C, Sladen and Swan. Next question is Cyperus rotundus is a, and the options are annual weed, biennial weed, perennial weed, and economical weed. And the right answer is option C, perennial weed. Next question is muriate of potash is the name of, options are option A, nitrogen chloride, option B, sodium chloride, option C, potassium chloride, and option D is ammonium chloride. And the right answer is option C, potassium chloride. Next question is saline alkaline soils have, and the options are, and the right answer is option A, which is EC is more than 4, pH is equal to 8.5, and ESP is more than 15. Next question is wilt resistant variety of chickpeas, and the options are K850, option B Pusa 375, option C Pusa 362, and option D is Pant 114. And the right answer is option C Pusa 362. Next question is pre-harvest aflatoxin contamination in groundnut can be prevented by, and the options are, and the right answer of that question is option C, Govin cultivar that matures at the end of the rain. Question number 70. Pistia stratiotus is, options are option A, submerged weed, emerged weed, marginal weed, or floating weed. And the right answer is option D, floating weed. Next question is for Rabi sunflower, irrigation has been found to be optimum at IWCP ratio of, and the options are option A 0.65, option B 0.75, option C 0.85, and option D is 0.95. And the right answer is option B 0.75. Next question is integrated farming system means, and the options are integration of two cropping systems, option B integration of same enterprises, option C integration of two crops, and option D is integration of two or more than two enterprises. And the right answer is option D, integration of two or more than two enterprises. Question number 73. Shade loving plants are referred as, options are option A heterophytes, option B sciophytes, option C mesophytes, and option D short day plants. And answer is option B sciophytes. Next question is iron deficiency is common in, options are high pH calcareous soil, acidic soil, neutral soil, strongly acidic soils. And the answer is option A, high pH calcareous soil. Next question is nitrogen content in ammonium sulfate is, and the options are 46%, 20.6%, 25%, and 26%. And the right answer is option B, 20.6%. Next question is the test between two population variants is done by, options are arithmetic mean, F test, T test, and Z test. And the right answer is option B, F test. Next question is triple superphosphate is made by treating rock phosphate with, and the options are option A sulfuric acid, option B hydrogen chloride, option C phosphoric acid, and option D is nitric acid. And the right answer is option C phosphoric acid. Next question is the decrease in air temperature with increasing heights is known as, and the options are option A adiabatic lapse rate, option B lapse rate, option C height lapse rate, and option D is ionizing rate. And the right answer is option B lapse rate. Next question is ammonium sulfate is, and the options are an acid forming fertilizer, option B not an acid forming fertilizer, option C a neutral fertilizer, and option D a pH raising fertilizer. And the right answer is option A an acid forming fertilizer. Question number 80. Safe moisture level of storage of safflower is, and the options are option A 13 to 15%, option B 11 to 12%, option C 9 to 10%, and option D is 5 to 8%. And the right answer is Option D 5 to 8%. Next question is Planck's law is related to, and the options are radiation, gravity, infiltration, and crop response. And the right answer is option A radiation. Next question is types of soil which has low permeability, and the options are saline, alkaline, acidic, and laterite. And the right answer is option B alkaline. Next question is moisture content at which paddy yield is reported, and the options are option A 10%, option B 14%, option C 16%, and option D is 18%. And the right answer is option B 14%. Next question is safflower seeds growing degree days for successful production is, and the options are 1500, option B 2000, option C 2500, and option D is 3000. And the answer is option B 2000. Question number 85. Chlorophyll A absorbs maximum light in, and the options are ultraviolet range, option B red spectrum, option C green spectrum, and option D infrared spectrum. And the right answer is option B red spectrum. Question number 86. In forecasting of rainfall, the word isolated rain denotes how much of the area receiving rain. Options are option A 1/5, option B 1/4, option C 1/3, and option D half. And the right answer is option C 1/3. Next question is polarimeter is used for, and options are option A sucrose estimation, option B nitrogen estimation, option C oil estimation, option D plant or tree height measures. And right answer is option A sucrose estimation. Next question is rock phosphate is suitable for. Options are acidic soil, alkali soils, saline soils, and all types of soils. And answer is option A acidic soils. Next question is Mitscherlich equation is, options are, and the right answer is option A dy by ds is equal to a minus y by c. Next question is crop that has nodules both on stem and root. Options are option A Sesbania rostrata, option B Vigna mungo, option C Cajanus cajan, and option D Glycine max. And answer is option A Sesbania rostrata. Question number 91. A cotton plant is considered to be suffering from nitrogen stress if potential nitrogen of a manure leaf fall below. Options are option A 2000 ppm, option B 2500 ppm, option C 3000 ppm, and option D 3500 ppm. And right answer is option A 2000 ppm. Next question is synthetic auxins are, and options are, and right answer is option A IBA, NAA, and 2,4-D. Next question is the 17th nutrient added to the list of essential element is, and options are boron, molybdenum, chlorine, and nickel. And right answer is option D nickel. Next question is the value of R, which is correlation coefficient, ranges between, and answer is option C +1 and -1. Next question is plants appear green because they, and options are option A reflect green radiation, option B absorb green radiation, option C absorb all radiation, and option D is reflect all radiation. And the right answer is option A reflect green radiation. Next question is variance is the square of, and options are range, standard deviation, quartile deviation, and mean deviation. And right answer is option B standard deviation. Next question is Pusa 209 is variety of, and options are gram, mustard, red gram and lentil. And right answer is option A, gram. Number 98. Availability of which form of phosphorus is highest at pH 6 to 7? And options are option A, H2PO4, option B, HPO4, option C, PO4, and option D is H3PO4. And right answer is option A, H2PO4. Question number 99. Apparently, the first inbreeding experiment with maize were those reported by, and options are option A, Darwin in 1876, option B, Shull in 1874, option C, East in 1914, and option D, Hull 1876. And answer is option A, Darwin in 1876. Next question is question number 100. Match the following, and the followings are books and their authors. First one is Textbook of Field Crop Production, and the author is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next one is Modern Techniques of Raising Field Crops, and author is Dr. Chidha Singh. Third one is Soil Fertility and Fertilizers, and authors are Tisdale, Nelson, Beaton, and Havlin. Next one is Principle and Practices of Rice Production, and the author is S.K.D. Datta. And last one is An Introduction to Climate, and author is Srivatsa and Home. Thank you for watching us. If you like the information, then like and share the video. For more videos, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.